Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can make your own spice and seasoning blends. Spice and seasoning blends are widely available and easy to use, but why turn to the processed stuff when you can easily make your own? It's more controllable if you do it yourself. Using fresh and good quality herbs and spices are essential to the outcome of any great tasting dish. A lot of spice mixes on the market include fillers, such as salt, sugar, anti-caking ingredients which prevent the spices from clumping up, or even MSG. It is also great to make your own if you have people who have allergies to certain spices or for children who don't like certain spices. We all know that salt isn't the best thing you can consume a lot of. You can use this no salt seasoning instead of salt in most of your recipes, just not baked goods, of course. This blend is great on almost everything, and you will not believe how similar it actually tastes to salt. This mild taco seasoning has the flavor of traditional taco seasonings without all the heat. It's a child-friendly version of the spicy favorite. Taco seasoning also works well when sprinkled on corn, tomatoes, cauliflower, green beans, and squash. This blend is a must in any spicy food lover's kitchen. It's a quick and easy way to add depth, flavor, and heat to your dishes. This blend also complements bell peppers, onions, celery, carrots, beans, and fish. Why would you use salt when you can give breads, pasta, spaghetti sauce, and other dishes an Italian flair with this homemade Italian seasoning? This seasoning also pairs well with onions, potatoes, zucchini, eggplant, tomatoes, and fish. Feel free to adjust these recipes to your own taste buds. I hope that you enjoy making and using these blends to spice up your dishes. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.